All right, my dears, your phonics lesson today is about silent letters. K-N, W-R-G-H, G-N-N-W-H. Now, K-N, W-R, and W-H come at the beginning of words. K-N, the K is the silent letter, so this just makes an N sound. No, knit, new, knife, knee, okay, etc. You'll just underline the silent part of it, so you would just underline the KN, KN, etc. WR, the W is silent, so we get an sound, right, wrong, wren, which is a type of bird, etc., etc. WH, as in who, whole, whose, gives us an H sound. Now, GH and GN, sorry, that was supposed to be an H, there we go, GN are interesting ones because at the beginning of words, GH says a G sound and GN says an N sound, like ghost, ghoul, net, gnaw, all right? But they can both come later in the words. Remember, GH, if it's EIGH, it says an A, wait, ate, neighbor, sleigh, okay? So then it's pretty much entirely silent, or at least it just contributes to the whole sound, but you don't actually hear a G or an H sound. In a word like thought, it's pretty much entirely silent. Okay? GN, sign. Okay, the G is silent and we really just hear the N sound again. Design, a sign. And it helps create that long I sound. And again, we hear the N. Okay? So these two are a little different because they can come elsewhere in words. These first three are just pretty much at the beginnings of words. Okay? So again, you're just underlining the silent letter team. So for example, like that one, some of these ones are not quite right. I was just underlining the word to show you. And then in addition to underlining that team, you need to read them for a minute, 1 minute, and then you will write how many you got at the bottom. Okay, you can do it more than once if you want to see if you can get a faster score. Also, it's okay to whisper and say them out loud. We do want to practice some verbal fluency, not just in your brain fluency. Okay? Let me know if you have questions, want to know what any of the words are. I'm more than happy to help. Good luck.